Hello everyone and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
a cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Summer is just around the corner, so today we're going to be showing you some of our favorite summer drink recipes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! So first we're going to show you how to make Shikanji. Start by rolling out your lemons to get as much juice out of them as possible. Squeeze the juice out of your lemons into a large glass or a small pitcher. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar to your pitcher. And stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now we're going to fill your pitcher with ice cubes. Next, we're going to add 5 cups of soda water, and we're going to stir this well again. Now take a mortar and pestle and add 2 green chilies, a handful of mint leaves, one teaspoon of rock salt, one teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of amchur, and a pinch of salt. Add a little bit of water. Then muddle this all together until smooth. Now add some more water and stir this all together well. Add this mixture into your pitcher and stir well again. Now we're going to add a few more mint leaves and some extra lemon wedges. Stir this well together again. Pour your Shikanji into a glass. And garnish with some flowers and a nice lemon wedge. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your nice, spicy, refreshing lemonade, also known as Shikanji.
Next, we are gonna make a healthy cucumber smoothie. Start by peeling and cutting one large or 5 to 6 small cucumbers. Then add these cucumbers into a blender. Also add salt to taste, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, and half cup of curd. Add a little bit of water. Now blend this until smooth. Pour your smoothie into a glass. And garnish with a cucumber slice.
Finally, we're going to make a minty grape juice. Add 4 cups of grapes into a blender. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, a few mint leaves, and the juice of 2 limes. Add 2 cups of water to this. And blend until smooth. Take a glass and rim the edge with a slice of lemon. Then dip your glass into roasted chili powder. finally add a grape to garnish, and you're done.
So that is going to wrap up our summer drink special. We're about to hit the pool with our delicious summer drinks. We hope you all have a fantastic summer. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button for us and also subscribe to our channel for more coming soon. See you next time.